All right, today I'm going to show you how to clean a toilet using Clorox Foaming Toilet Bomb. This is the toilet bowl cleaner where you stop, eh, no, drop, brush, and then flush. Okay, so you have drop, brush, and flush. That is what you're supposed to be doing. These come in a pack of 5 right here. It shows on the back. I'm going to get to it. I'm going to show you how to clean it momentarily. I'm just going to look on the back really quick. It says foaming a toilet bomb, toilet bowl cleaner. It shows where you stop, drop, set them up. Oh, here it goes. Drop 1 toilet bomb into the toilet bowl and let dissolve. You brush. Use the foam to brush the toilet clean. So this is what I'm going to be doing. And then flush toilet and enjoy a freshly clean bowl. All right, so I'm going to get to that. One thing, check the warnings and instructions before you use this product so you know how to use it properly, okay? So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. This 3-in-1 cleaner cleans stains, hard water, and rust. This is bleach-free, so even though it says Clorox, it is indeed bleach-free, as they say. I'm going to go ahead and open this up from the top. And then this is what they look like inside. They look like, I don't know what they look like. They smell fresh though. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 into the toilet. I'm going to carefully do this. I suggest using gloves if you're going to try to touch it and you're not as skillful as I am to getting it out of the bag like this. So I have this right here. I'm going to drop this into the toilet. You see that? And it's supposed to foam. So it's going to foam. Look at that. Get in closer so you can see this action going on. Look at it. So it's foaming up. So I dropped it in there. And I'm supposed to let it dissolve. It's starting to dissolve right now. And what it's doing, it's releasing all of the cleaning solution or the cleaning power into the water. And so I can take the water and actually use that to clean the toilet. And I think this is a great idea. Well, this is dissolving and foaming up. I'm going to talk about this a little bit. I think it's a great idea because what it does, it allows companies to actually put it in a tablet form like this, which actually is good for the environment. And you're probably saying, well, this is chemicals you're putting down the toilet. Yes, but when you use regular or normal, regular or normal, that's pretty much the same thing, right? Toilet bowl cleaner, it comes in a container which is a liquid. Now the liquid weighs a lot more because you're adding water to something like this. It weighs a lot more. So in order to transport it, it's going to cost a lot more. It's going to use a lot more fuel just to transport it, just to get it into my toilet, okay? So it saves gas by having fuel by using something that is a dry product and you just add it to water to clean. So it looks like it is foamed up all over the way. It's dissolved. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a brush. All right, so I have a brush right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the toilet with this brush using the foam. So I'm going to get in here, get the foam. What I do is just get way down there to where I can't see it. Just scrub it down at the bottom part. And then I'm going to take this and just scrub along the bowl. Scrub along the bowl like this in order to get it clean. And so when I scrubbed it like this, sometimes I like let it sit in order for it to disinfect if this is a disinfecting cleaner. And then just to also let dissolve some of the solids that may be in there. And so after I let it sit, after I scrubbed it, let it dissolve some, I'll come back and I'll take the brush and I'll go back in and I will do it again like this. You see that? When I'm done, just simply flush the toilet. Rinse off the brush with the fresh, clean water. Smells great in here. So I have that. Then tap the brush to get any excess water. And then put it back in. And that is how you clean a toilet using Clorox Foaming Toilet Bomb. Drop, brush, and flush, right? I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.